Hi, welcome to Sid Wants to Kick, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 4. Where do you think this story happens? That's called the setting. First, let's preview the short I words. Sid, kick, kids, fit, him, big, lid, little, this, and the challenge words. Wanted, ball, other, soccer, team, shirt, opened, good. Sid wanted to kick the ball with the other kids. They were on a soccer team. But the shirt did not fit him. It was too big. There's Sid. He's sad. When he went to kick the ball, he fell. Oh no. The next shirt was too little. It's too tight. Rick said, "My shirt is too big. Try it." There's Rick. The shirt was good. Sid could play. That's the end. I hope I see you again next time.